Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, I'm super excited because it just showed up. We are taking a look at the Archangel Oracle cards by Diana Cooper and the artwork by Jane Delaford Taylor. This is 44 cards and a guidebook. So, published by Hay House. And it retails for $19.99. This is like a really new release, if not like very just released. The back says, angels are highly evolved spiritual beings. They are here right now to offer guidance, answer your questions, accelerate your ascension, and bring balance, joy, and peace. Each of the 44 cards in this beautiful deck shows a hand-painted archangel, angel, or seraphim. The glorious imagery and guidebook will inspire you to connect with these divine messengers and activate their teachings. So, I'm excited. Let's get into it. You know the deal with the Hay House boxes. They are nice and sturdy. Look what we got on the inside. It says, Archangels of love, please touch my heart with peace and serenity. Show me how I can do my part to spread your light joyfully. Oh, that's super cute. If you guys been following me for a while, you know that I do not really know much about the archangels or angels, but we're gonna go for it. All right, real fast. Let's just take a look here at the contents. We have, what are angels? What do they look like? How can they help me? And do I have a guardian angel? So forth and so on. And then how to use the cards. And then the cards meaning. Okay, so let me just see real fast about how to use the cards. Okay, is basically, it looks like that I'm overviewing here real fast, that just like any other oracle card. So we have single card readings, 3 card readings, and that's it. And then it goes into the card meanings. All right, let's get into it. Bye. All right. Oh, the back is really pretty. It is glossy. However, I feel like it's more of a semi-gloss than a glossy gloss. That's really pretty. Okay. Already, I really, really like that you have the angel name, archangel name, excuse me, and then something about the card. So hopefully, as we go through it, this will be very beginner friendly. The artwork is really gentle too. Really peaceful and serene. I really like that. Oh, look at the peacock feathers and the birds. Oh. Okay, this one might be really good. How sweet is this deck? Ooh. Ooh, a unicorn? What? Cute. Ooh, bats. Yes. This is the first time I'm ever seeing an angel type deck with bats. Really excited about that. I really like the artwork. Ooh. They threw in a Gaia, huh? Ooh. Look at that. Ooh. I see dolphins. Oh, yay. This is a really like peaceful and nurturing deck for sure. And unlike the $4.99 one that I picked up that was a box set or whatever, this actually has diversity. It has men and women. Very cool. I love it. I really enjoy this artwork. It's not terrifying faces. It's not too realistic. The colors are very vibrant, very peaceful. Might help if you had it in the frame, Natasha. There's names I recognize. But again, I don't I don't know much about angels, archangels like that. I don't know. It's not something that I've really paid attention to, I guess. Ooh. It's really pretty. Cherry blossoms. I'm excited to see what the guidebook says and like how to read with the cards through the guidebook, the interpretation. That's what I'm trying to say. Interpretations. Goodness. Ooh, that's really cool. Okay, I am not even going to try to pronounce that. Oh my, that hurts my brain. I'm not gonna lie. Why? Yeah, see? Not even going to try. Look at the wolves. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's the last card. Okay, so let's see how they shuffle. There we go. Oh yeah. Just like all of the other Hay House cards, I really don't have an issue with this. Let's see, do they stick? Nope, they don't stick. Yeah, it's not super glossy. It's just like a semi-gloss. We're gonna take that one. I don't have an issue shuffling it. It's, you know, pretty standard size for Hay House cards. And the cardstock is really good. Like for Hay House, you know, it's stable, it's sturdy, it snaps back, and that coating also does help prevent long-term damage as well. So, I mean, I just don't like a glossy coating just because I do filming and then you can see the reflection and fingerprints, but that's just a personal preference. Okay, so we're gonna see what Archangel Roquelle says. So on the card it says, enter higher planetary service and be a blazing light. All right. So they aren't numbered. However, they are in the table of contents here and they are all alphabetical. So that is really helpful as well. I like that the cards don't have borders. I like that they have a little something, something about said card on the card. So that's always helpful. Archangel Roquelle is a strong and powerful universal angel of the rank of Seraphim. He resides in the center of Earth to help Lady Gaia. His color is black. His retreat is above Uluru, Australia, and he oversees that continent. He is the twin flame of Archangel Joles. You guys, like, I can't pronounce any of this, so I hope you know that I don't mean any disrespect. Who is in charge of the ocean, and they work together. They take the knowledge and wisdom you have stored in your Earth Star chakra and use it to enable you to make a deeper connection with Lady Gaia. Humans are bridges to Source, and the Archangel Roquelle collects that energy that flows down through humanity and sends it to Lady Gaia. He also directs it to the people who are ready to use it for the planet and to the portals, ley lines, and great pyramids of the Earth, for they are cosmic computers. In addition, he sends this energy to the 4 constellations, stars, and planets connected with Earth's ascension: Orion, Sirius, and the Pleiades, and Neptune. So then it has guidance here. This card calls you to higher planetary service in a way that illuminates you as you serve. It suggests you bring light down through your 12 chakras and then mentally connect with Archangel Roquelle and send the energy through the ley lines. Then form bridges of light to the great pyramids of Earth and the stars. See Earth and the cosmos light up with pure golden light. It is important to make sure you are grounded and receptive through this process, for pure energy from Archangel Roquelle is now streaming back up through you, lighting you up. Be a blazing flame, radiating in all directions. Right on. Okay, so is it beginner friendly? I'd say absolutely. It's beautifully done. It gives you a lot of information that I was not expecting about said archangels, which for someone like me who knows absolutely nothing about them, it absolutely helps me interpret the cards a lot better, because now I know, okay, that's the whole meaning of the card. Like, this person works, or this angel works through the ley lines and through Mother Earth, so this card makes sense. So I think for $19.99, and I'm sure you can get it on sale right now since it's a new release on hayhouse.com, I think that this is a great deck for anybody who feels connected to it. I feel like this has a lot of potential for a lot of different types of readings, as well as daily meditations or journaling. Sometimes I like to pull a card in the morning for, you know, what I need to focus on during the day, or what I'm lacking, or, you know, stuff of that sort of nature. So this would be definitely a good deck for all of that. So I'm interested to know what you guys think of this deck. Is it something that you're interested in? Is it something that you just don't feel connected to? Or is it just like nah, I'll pass? I'm quite excited that I saw a lot of the points that I like to, you know, hit on with these decks is, you know, diversity. Is it easy to use? That sort of thing. I feel like this is a pretty decent deck, especially for 2021. Right on. Okay, well, that being said, let me know what you think down in the comment section below. And as always, thank you so much for hanging out with me and spending some time. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you'll never miss an upload from me. All right, everyone, have a great rest of your night, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.